Huawei has officially unveiled two new smartwatches in China, the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro and the children's Watch 5 Pro in refreshed color variants. Both are now up for grabs through Huawei's official VMall platform. And the best part? They're currently offered at a limited-time promotional price, thanks to a government-backed subsidy in China. Let's begin with the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro. This wearable made its debut in China on May 19th during the Huawei Nova 14 series launch event. Although the Watch Fit 4 Pro was previously introduced on the global stage, Huawei is now presenting it in China with enhanced capabilities, particularly tailored for fitness enthusiasts. The Watch Fit 4 Pro comes in three stunning hues: island blue, field green, and obsidian black. Each color variant carries a slightly different price tag. If you opt for island blue or obsidian black, the cost is 2,099 yuan. But after applying the government incentive, the final price drops to 1,614.15 yuan. Meanwhile, the field green edition is priced at 2,199 yuan, which gets reduced to 1,699.15 yuan with the subsidy. Now, let's explore the design and specifications of the Watch Fit 4 Pro. The smartwatch boasts a sleek, contemporary aesthetic. Its dimensions are 44.5 by 40 by 9.3 millimeters, and it accommodates wrist sizes from 130 millimeters to 210 millimeters. It's also extremely lightweight, tipping the scales at only 30.4 g. The standout feature of this wearable is its expansive 1.82-inch AMOLED screen. The display is vivid and detailed, offering a resolution of 408 by 408 pixels. It also delivers an impressive peak brightness of 3,000 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even in bright sunlight. The construction is premium, featuring a titanium bezel surrounding the display and a body made from aluminum alloy, striking a balance between durability and elegance. When it comes to functionality, the Huawei Watch Fit 4 Pro is fully equipped. It offers new outdoor sports modes and sophisticated fitness tracking capabilities. Ideal for active users, the watch supports Huawei's TrueScene health system, which monitors heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, and more. Additionally, it includes a dual battery management mode, allowing users to toggle between two power settings to optimize battery life depending on usage. Overall, the Watch Fit 4 Pro is a stylish, intelligent, and feature-packed gadget ideal for everyday wear and fitness enthusiasts alike. Moving on to the second launch, the Huawei Children's Watch 5 Pro, now offered in two vibrant new shades. Huawei introduced these updates on May 19th, and they're now available in field green and midsummer purple, colors designed to be playful and visually appealing for kids. The original price of the children's Watch 5 Pro is 1,198 yuan. However, after a 150 yuan official discount combined with the state subsidy, the final cost comes down to just 890.8 yuan, an attractive offer considering its features. So, what makes the children's Watch 5 Pro stand out? To begin with, it supports offline positioning 2.0, a feature that allows the device to track a child's location even in the absence of an internet connection. This serves as an essential safety net for parents. The watch also incorporates anti-addiction functionality to help regulate screen time, ensuring children aren't overexposed to digital content. It is equipped with a high-resolution dual-camera setup, which enables unlimited video calling, a valuable feature for staying connected with family and friends. Another impressive function is the seamless payment system. It provides children with a secure way to make minor transactions, such as buying snacks at school, offering both convenience and safety. In terms of design, the device is highly robust. It utilizes an armor-guard exterior with a gently curved frame, making it resilient enough to endure the rough handling typical of young users. On the battery front, the children's Watch 5 Pro comes with an 800 mAh battery. It supports magnetic fast charging and can be powered up to 50% in just 20 minutes. There's also a one-click power-saving mode that users can activate to further extend battery longevity. So, whether you're a fitness buff in search of a powerful new wearable or a parent seeking a secure and intelligent smartwatch for your child, Huawei has something compelling to offer. Both the Watch Fit 4 Pro and the children's Watch 5 Pro are currently available at discounted prices with subsidies on Huawei's official VMall platform in China.